Look at that cheeky stash. Anyway guys, let's just get this cold start going. Welcome back to another video guys. My name's Jaden Pedersen and I like to make videos just for you. Now guys, today we're actually going to be, when I say we, my mate, he said, hey Jaden, bring your car over and I'll fab up a intake for you. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to drive over to his place and we're going to have a day of fabbing. Fab up some stuff, maybe some intakes, I don't know. Anyway guys, so let's get this party on the road. Onwards! I wonder if it's going to sound any different. Shitty well. Up it, fella.
Let's leave like...
Ooh, yeah.
Actually, you could probably put your filter there, actually.
I can piss all this off because I've got the relocation kit. Yeah, I've got... I just put it anywhere like my doodle.
I reckon 15 that way.
So I've got to take off this brake fucking... I didn't take into consideration with this. She's fucking huge boy. Same. So that's what we're left with. Nice high cuts. And a big ass body. I didn't expect how big this one was. Like, I knew how big it was, but I was trying to put it over there, but it didn't fit. So that's just it. I'm so grateful for this. Man, this is awesome. So Zach had a 4-inch muffler in there. He's decided to, fabbed up this one here. 4-inch straight through. Sounds a bit. Oh, and also I burnt myself putting my hand on a hot weld. Alright, just a little dose.